G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So today we're going to do some more upgrades to the Troopy. What are we doing, Aliyah?
Replacing the door card?
The door cards. Yes, flip it open, Ali. Let's have a look. Righto. So this is what we've got. They're a bit old, they're a bit ratty, they're all torn up. Grandpa did a quick replacement. He put a new bit of timber behind there, which used to the existing door card. This one had a speaker, it's got some tears. Look, it fulfilled the purpose and it did what it needed to do, but we're going to upgrade and get some really nice looking ones, aren't we?
Yep. Righto.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you how to rip off the old door card. Righto, so what we're going to do is we're going to replace this old ratty one with this one. Wow, that was magic, Aliyah. How'd you do that? Anyway, this one here is from LCS 4x4. Now these guys donated this to Long Drive for a Drought. I saw it, I knew I had ratty door cards, so I bid on it and I won it. I was happy to pay more because the money was going to Long Drive for a Drought. Fantastic cause. Righto, Aliyah, that's enough of that. Let's get into the door card rip off and replace it with a new one.
Okay.
All right. Righto, so it's fairly straightforward to be able to change out a door card. We're going to rip off the window winder, the door handle surround and the door handle, pop off the door card, pull out little support plugs, and then we can start putting all the new one on.
Yep.
Righto, let's get it off, Aliyah. Let's start with the window winder. There's a small little clip behind there that we need to pop off and we're going to save it. Now there is a tool for it. I don't know where it is, Ali. I've looked everywhere in the shed, so we're just going to use a screwdriver and pop that off. Yep, so that's on a bit of an angle, so that's it. Don't break a nail. Righto, Aliyah, with your awesome nails, you can get in there and pop it off. Yep, just give it a bit of a pull it off. There we go. Same with the other side. Excellent. Righto, so there's the old one. Served its purpose. Had a nice new backing on it. Worked really well, but it looks ratty. So that one's gone. Next we need to do, Ali, is we need to remove these little plugs. Now, these little plugs are really, really good to keep because you want to use them for when you're doing a genuine build or putting on new genuine cards, such as we did with the FJ40 build. We're going to keep these for the LX when we go to that one, but for this, we don't need them because LCS supply a whole lot of new little plugs that go in there, so that's really cool. So grab your little screwdriver, Aliyah. We'll fold them in, pop them in. Don't worry about if they fall to the bottom, that's okay. Excellent. Righto, now you've plugged them out. Can you reach your hand in there and grab them?
No.
Why?
I'm not getting bitten by spiders.
Spiders? There's no spiders in there.
Yes,
Oh, move out of the way, I'll get them. So make sure you keep little plugs. As I said, we can reuse them for a genuine build. Just get them. Oh, a spider! Just kidding.
You know, it'd be really funny if you actually got bitten by a spider.
Who have we got on the front seat, Aliyah?
Isa.
And who is Isa?
Charlie May's little dog.
Let's check out this little puppy. This is Isa, this is Charlie May's new little puppy. Righto, now Aliyah, we've got the whole door card off. Now, a lot of you guys already know this, but these doors are really prone to rust. Right down through the bottom of here, the little drain plugs, they clog up and they fill up with all sorts of dirt and rubbish and water, and they all rust out on the bottom. So it's pretty common for that to happen. The LX down there, it's got one of the worst ones I've ever seen. We've repaired this one, and we've repaired quite a number. Now you have a brand new door, or a door in really good condition, or one that you've just repaired, you want to put some ultimate rust protection in it. So what have we got today, Ali, that we're going to do that with?
R88.
R88 from Chemtools. Now this stuff is the ultimate rust protection, heavy duty rust protection. It is fantastic. All we need to do is spray it all on the inside of the doors here, and that puts a protective coating over it, stops any rust. Now this stuff I've used as a bit of a trial about 3 years ago on a 40 series bonnet. We cleaned up an area, we sprayed half of it with R88, we left the other half exposed to the environment, and it's still holding up today in full sun, weather, rain, the whole lot. It has still kept it rust free. It is incredible. So I have a full confidence in this R88 from Chemtools. Righto, spray it all inside of the bottom of the doors there. Be nice and generous with it, Aliyah. That'll protect it from any rust. Righto, that should do it, Aliyah. That's going to keep this door protected for pretty much its whole life. That's how good this stuff is. Righto, let's move on to the brand new door card. This thing is absolutely awesome. Righto, Aliyah, what we're going to do is just put the plugs in first, but not going to push them all the way, just to hold it in place. Then we'll put all the accessories on it, and then we can do it all up, make it all fit nicely. So let's chuck that up on the door there. Okay.
This is the hard part.
Right, just put a plug in each corner to start with to hold it in. All right, Aliyah. So now we'll chuck on the window winder, we'll chuck on the door handle support and the door handle, and then we can put all these plugs straight back in to hold all the door card in nice and firmly. So you want to chuck the window winder on. That just, you put the little clip on, that just clips straight on, fairly straightforward. That's it. Window winder. We're going to pull this handle up, slide it over, and then clip it on. Yep, chuck the screw in there. Righto, so the support there, now it's just an aftermarket one, just from Taiwan. Pretty good, it's better than the other one. The original one was all cracked and broken, so it was no good. So nice, easy, cheap, it suits the door. And the other thing that is aftermarket is the door handle. Now this door handle is just from a local hardware shop, and surprisingly, it is the exact size to go on a 40 series Landcruiser. And it suits this door absolutely perfectly. It looks really, really neat. It just goes with that black plastic look. Again, cheap, straight from your local hardware store. Looks fantastic. You want to chuck that one on, Ali?
Yep.
Hold these little cover clips down. Oh, you made that one look easy. There we go. Righto, we're nearly finished. Hammer time, Aliyah. Now you can push these in by hand. They're not too bad, but you just give a quick little tap with the hammer and they'll pop straight in. So you want to do that, Ali?
Yep.
Perfect. Righto, Aliyah. This looks absolutely fantastic. What do you reckon?
I think it looks great.
Spot on. So LCS 4x4. Waterproof, easy to clean. I tell you what, I am stoked with this, especially when we've gone with something like that to this. What a nice upgrade. Thank you very much, Aliyah. That looks excellent. I'm very proud of you. Well done. So that's pretty much it for this episode. Righto, so if you guys want to keep up with the Troopy, or actually anything 40 related, the fire truck's also getting done, so we need to put some focus on that one. Make sure you subscribe, which is down in this corner here. Hit that subscribe button. And something really cool, Ali. What have you done?
Made a TikTok account.
A TikTok account. I'm not very familiar with TikToks. Ali has made a TikTok account. Here it is here, check it out, as well as our Instagram account. Jump onto them, keep up to date with stuff that you don't see on YouTube, other little tips, tricks, photos, all that type of stuff we're going to be sharing. So that's really exciting. So thanks for doing that, Ali.
Okay.
That's awesome. Righto guys, that's it for this episode. Really appreciate your support. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Good job.